Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to delete a member on Life360 account. To delete a member or to remove a user, you just have to follow the steps. Now first thing first, what you want to do is go ahead and open up your Life360 application. Then log into your account. Once logged in, that's gonna take you to the home page, which will look something like this. While you're on this page, you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon from the top right, and next thing you want to do is click on circle management. When you go to circle management, scroll down a bit and you might find this option is edit circle name. You could go and press that option, and here you might see all the family that's listed or that has been added. Now simply click on the three dot icon next to the family that you want to remove, and then let's see, this is the family member, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this member. Then I just need to tap on the three dot icon next to that person's username and click the delete option from the drop down menu. So this way you'll be able to delete member on Life360. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.